DMC made a new front bonnet for the Ferrari F12 with a glass window. Hi guys, thanks for watching this video here again. This is just going to be a very quick one. We made a new glass bonnet for the Ferrari F12. Actually, we made a carbon fiber bonnet a couple of years ago already. So one of our clients, he really loved the look of the Ferrari TRS, very special limited edition. So we basically went back to the drawing board and integrated a small glass window into this hood here. Have a look, the final result is really beautiful. Product of course made from pre-packed carbon fiber matching the OEM Ferrari weave. Tell us how you like it and we'll see you again in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching DMC Live.